Honda's luxury brand definitely knows how to make reasonably priced cars great in terms of quality, comfort, and tech. When it comes to the looks though, not everything is so black and white. But has there been any progress in that direction? We must take a look at their latest 2020 lineup to figure out for ourselves. This episode of Automotive Territory Daily News will be covering Acura's entire roster for the upcoming model year, car specifications, exteriors, interiors, and prices. Subscribe to our channel not to miss any of the auto releases, and let's start the engines. Acura Type S. The first ever high-performance Acura debuted under the Type S marque back in 2001, with a total of 4 models being released in the next 7 years. In 2018, the brand announced the return of the division, finally unveiling the concept Type S for the 2020 model year. The sports sedan has a wide stance, a long hood, and a sleek roof profile, asserting its power and dynamics. It incorporates Acura's latest design elements, such as 4-lamp dual-eye LED headlights, LED DRLs, named Chicon, and an open-surface diamond pentagon grille, most of which are expected to carry over into production. In addition, the concept car features forged carbon that is used to strengthen the front and rear splitters, the side sills, and the rear spoiler. In the following 2 years, Acura plans to release 2 Type S performance models, one of which will undoubtedly be the new generation TLX Type S. Acura RDX. The entry-level crossover from Acura came into being in 2007, continuously rising in sales ever since. In 2019, the model received a major overhaul, entering its 3rd generation with an all-new drivetrain under the hood. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbo aluminum alloy inline 4-cylinder with 272 horses, the compact crossover delivers smooth driving and good acceleration, but is often criticized for having too little power compared to the European rivals. It also gets 2 drive systems to choose from, the standard front-wheel drive or the optional torque-factoring super-handling all-wheel drive. The interior features Napa leather, olive ash wood, brushed aluminum elements, and a 10.2-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay. The 2020 RDX offers plenty of standard safety tech, earning it the highest safety ratings. Acura TLX and TLX PMC Edition. The new Acura TLX is a worthy buy in the midsize luxury sports sedan niche. Even in the standard package, the 2020 TLX interior meets the luxury requirements of the most demanding drivers. Leather-trimmed heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, keyless access, and full smartphone integration. Acura offers 2 performance-oriented powertrains, the 2.4-liter inline-4 with 206 horsepower paired with an 8-speed dual clutch, and a 3.5-liter V6 that produces 290 horses and is mated with a 9-speed automatic transmission. For those who are not impressed even by the most charged advanced package, Acura launched a handcrafted TLX PMC limited edition, which is distinguished by Valencia red perl paint with nanopigment technology, and it takes 5 days to be applied and inspected. Additionally, there are gloss black 19-inch wheels and black Milano leather interior. Acura NSX Sport Hybrid. The second-generation Honda NSX arrived to the market in 2016 under a new brand name and with a hybrid drivetrain at heart. The all-wheel drive sports car combines a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 and a single electric motor that together power the rear wheels, plus there is a twin-motor unit that sends additional horses to the front wheels. The system produces a peak output of 573 horses and 476 pound-feet of torque, enough to sprint from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. In 2019, the model came out with a mid-cycle refresh, and for the upcoming 2020, it offers a new India Yellow Pearl Heritage color. In addition, rumors suggest that the new NSX Type R is also in the works, boasting of a stiffer suspension, larger brakes, improved aerodynamics, and most importantly, 650 horses at heart. Acura RDX. This flagship model from the brand is the only sedan in its range to be available in both regular and hybrid options. Introduced in 2014, the full-size RDX was the first Acura model to feature the sport hybrid powertrain with a gasoline engine, 3 electric motors, and super handling all-wheel drive that is now also used by the MDX and NSX cars. In 2020, the RDX is available in 2 modifications. The technology that comes powered by a 310 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 with a front-wheel drive with precision wheel steering, and the Advance, which features the same 3.5-liter gasoline engine and the discussed hybrid system, boosting the power output to 377 horses and increasing the model's pricing by $7,000. As before, the RDX has generous safety tech, including automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, and blind spot monitoring, but its cabin styling and infotainment remain rather dated. Acura MDX. On today's market, the MDX is probably the most adequately priced 7-seater within the luxury segment. Spacious, powerful, and well-equipped even in the base trim, there is no wonder why it keeps outselling competitors year after year. In 2020, this SUV can be had in front-wheel drive, super handling all-wheel drive, and sport hybrid super handling all-wheel drive variants, which in turn are additionally spec'd to 5 trims. The non-electrified vehicle runs on a 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 290 horses and 267 pound-feet of torque, and is paired with a 9-speed automatic, while the sport hybrid utilizes a 3.0-liter port-injected V6 mill coupled with 3 electric motors to deliver 321 horses. The interior is soaked in leather and wood, but the dual-screen infotainment remains a pain. There have been rumors that the Acura MDX will be going through a generational redesign this year, but the update seems to have been postponed till 2021. Just wanted to let you know that this episode is a part of the 2020 video digest about the new lineups from car brands all over the world. Once you're done watching this video, do not hesitate to proceed to the rest of the playlist. The links are in the description. Let's keep going. Acura RDX. This is the smallest and the longest living sedan currently offered by Acura that made its market debut for the 2013 model year. Though in 2020 the car continues to be in its first generation, it does not feel too dated thanks to being facelifted twice already, in 2016 and 2019. On the outside, the RDX follows the brand's recent design language, with a diamond pentagon grille, a more sculpted hood, and dual-eye LED headlights. Its cabin is performed with high-quality materials, and it also fits sports front and rear seats with standard lumbar support for the driver. The RDX also keeps the familiar 201 horsepower 4-cylinder, gets standard Acura Watch active safety system, and features 3 available equipment packages: Premium, Technology, and Sporty A-Spec, all of which offer an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment. What are your thoughts about the Acura's 2020 lineup? Are they headed in the right direction, or will they stay behind other luxury brands? Do not hesitate to share your opinion in the comment section. As mentioned before, check out Honda, Toyota, Lexus, and many other 2020 car lineups by following the links displayed on the screen. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News and come back soon.